In this video, we are going to build this professional looking mobile game without writing a single line of code. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own game and play it on your device. For building a mobile game, we require two things. The first thing is Flutter. Flutter is a UI toolkit powered by Google which will help us to build our mobile game. And the second thing is Windsurf. Windsurf is an AI powered code editor which will help us to write the entire code for our mobile game. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to download Flutter. For downloading Flutter, open your browser and type Flutter. Click on the first link. Click on Get Started. Click Windows, Android. Scroll down and download Flutter zip file. Once the download is finished, open the folder. Right click on it and click on Extract All. Click on Extract. Once it is done, open the Flutter folder. Select all the files. Select Copy. Go to the C drive. Right click and create a new folder. Name it Flutter. Open the folder and paste all the file we just copied. Open the bin folder. Click on the address bar. Right click and copy the path. Go to Start menu and type Edit System. Click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Now look at the system variables. Click on Path and click on Edit. Click on New and paste the path we just copied. Press Enter. Now close all this. Now let's see if the Flutter is successfully added to our system path. Open the Start menu and type CMD. Run as administrator. Type this command. If you see something like this, which mention the Flutter version and says Flutter channel stable version, that means that the Flutter is successfully installed and has been added to our system path. Now close this. Now let's see how we can install Windsurf. Open your browser and type Windsurf. Open the first link. Click on Download the Windsurf editor. Once the download is finished, simply open it. Accept the agreement. Click Next. Choose the location where you want to save the Windsurf installation. Click on Next. Click on Next. Make sure to check this. Also this one. Click on Next. Click Install. Click on Finish to open the Windsurf. Click on Get Started. Click Start Fresh. Select the default, click next. I am going to choose the dark theme, click on next. Now we have to sign up or log in with our account. I am going to sign up with my email account. Now once you are signed up, it will ask you to open the Windsurf. Click on open Windsurf. Now we have successfully signed up. Close the Windsurf. Now let's see how we can create a new project for our game. Open the file manager and choose on which location you want to create a new Flutter project. I am going to create a new project in my E drive. Now once you are in your drive, click on this address bar and type cmd and type this command, flutter space create and name of the project. Press enter. Now it's going to create our Flutter project. Once it is done, close this. Once the Flutter folder is created, go to Start menu and open the Windsurf again. Click on Open folder and choose the folder which we have just created. Check this and click on Yes, I trust. For start building our game, we have to download Flutter extension. Click on Extensions and type Flutter. Click on second one and click on Install. Once it is done, close this. Also, we can close this for now. Now in the right side, if you don't see this panel, click on Open Cascade, which will open this command panel. Once the command panel is active, type this prompt. Press enter. Now the agent is going to analyze our current project and start building our game. We don't have to touch anything. It is going to automatically create the game files and it will do all the things for us. We just have to wait. It has started creating our game files. All the files for our game has been created. We got a small issue which says it was unable to edit the main.dart file, which is the main file for our game. Don't worry about it. Simply copy the code from here and manually paste in the main.dart file. Click on this. This is our main.dart file. Now simply manually copy the code from here. Right click on it, click copy and paste the code we just copied. Run this terminal command. All the files for our game has been created. Now it's time to check our game. Now we are going to run our game in the browser. But before doing this, go to Files and click on Save. Now look in the bottom menu and choose Chrome as a current device. Click on this icon and click on Run without debugging. Now it's going to launch our game in the browser. Now let's see if the game is fully functional and working fine. Our game is fully functional Now let's see how we can improve the UI of our game and make it look more modern and more professional. We are also going to add different theme selections which we can choose to change the UI of our game. Minimize this. Click on this red icon to stop the agent. Also make sure to click on accept all. Now again go to command panel and type this prompt. Again, we don't have to touch anything. The agent is going to automatically start improving our game and updating the game files. Once it is done, stop the agent and click on accept all. Now let's see how our game is looking now. Look at this bar and click on this icon to restart our browser in order to reflect these changes. Now once it is restarted, open the browser. Now the game looks beautiful. We have different theme selections which we can use. Let's try to play our game. Now let's see how we can create an APK file for our game and how to install the game on our mobile phone. Minimize this, click on terminal and select new terminal. Type this command. It's going to generate an APK file for our mobile game. Once the file is generated, click here, click on build folder, click on app, click on outputs, click on Flutter APK, right click on it, click on copy path. Open the file manager. Click on the address bar and paste this path. Press enter. This is the APK file for our mobile game. Now there are a couple of ways which we can use to send it to our mobile phone. I am going to send it through WhatsApp. Now once we are inside the WhatsApp, click on the game file and allow all the permissions in order to install the game. As you can see on the mobile device, the game is fully responsive and functional. I know this is very basic game, but in upcoming videos we will see how we can build more advanced games, also the fully functional mobile apps. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.